Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you how to use Adobe Scan or Genius Scan. So in order to do this, you're going to need two different things. You're going to need a cell phone or other mobile device, and you're also going to need a computer so that you can save the PDF file and then upload it into Blackboard. This is a two-part process. So let's start with our cell phone. You need to download one of two apps, and it's up to you which one you do. You can either use Adobe Scan or you can use Genius Scan. Genius Scan only works with Apple phones. So if you don't have an Apple phone, you're going to need to use Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan works both on Apple and Android platforms. So let me get into my phone. So I'm going to go to the App Store. Again, regardless of which phone you have, you should have an App Store. And then I'm going to hit the search button and I'm going to type in Adobe Scan. Okay, and I'm going to hit search. Okay, and hopefully you can see, this is like the first thing that comes up. Now it says open here because I've already installed it on my phone. If you haven't installed it yet, right, you're gonna click on get, and then you're gonna have to download it. So let's go ahead and open the Adobe Scan app. Okay, so when I open it, it looks like this, and it's looking for a document. You can see this little circle right here is looking for a document. So what I've done is I printed out 6 pages and I just numbered them 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to be able to capture multiple pages of work in a single PDF. So let me see if I can show you exactly what that looks like. So I'm going to hold the documents here so you can see them. And then I'm going to put the phone here. So notice as I do this, my phone should automatically detect this document. And as soon as it does that, it's going to allow me to take a picture. So let me show you what this looks like. It says, looks like this, and then there's a continue button. I can also retake it if I'm not happy. So let's hit continue, and then let's see what happens. Okay, this next menu says adjust borders, adjust after each scan, or adjust using the cropping tool. You can do whatever you want. For right now, I'm just going to hit OK and keep going because I want to do another page. So again, look at my screen. It looks exactly the same. So now I'm going to look at my second page. I'm going to go to page 2. It has a 2 on it. And I'm going to hold this over here like that. And as soon as it detects a document, it's going to let me take a picture. So I hit OK. And now it's captured that. Again, I can either do continue or retake. And you can do this for as many pages as you want. And the whole beauty of this is that you can capture as many pages as you want and it will morph them, it will combine them into a single document. So let's stop here. As you can see, we have 2 pages here. Again, you can have as many as you want. Let's hit this button over here and see what happens. Okay, so this is going to give me the option to clean up my documents. So this is page 1, this is page 2. So if I wanted to crop it or clean it up or something like that, I could totally do that. Okay, but let's say that I'm happy with it. So then I'm going to come up here where it says Save PDF. I'm going to touch that. Okay, so now what should we do? So now we have this document. And so we have these options up here. And notice that the first one is share. So I'm going to hit the share button. And the options that come up are share link, email, or share a copy. Okay. You can do either email or share a copy. I'm going to click on email because I really want to email this to myself. Then I'm going to save it on my computer so that I can re-upload it to Blackboard. Okay. So when you hit the email, it gives you this prompt. And then you can just type in your in this space right here, you can type in your username. Now, it's really important to understand that this is just giving you a link, okay? So the second part of this step is what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to open this link. You're going to have to save the file on your computer, and then you can upload it to Blackboard. And I'll try to upload a second video that shows you how to do that, okay? So for right now, I'm just going to type in my email address, and I'm going to send this to myself. Okay, so that's it.